stop. Look at that burger in your hand. Look at the white sauce dripping from the bun. It looks creamy. It looks delicious. But you are being lied to. That is not food. It is a biological trap. That special sauce is a thick, sticky liquid designed in a cold laboratory. It is actually a form of industrial glue. In the construction world, they use a thick glue to hold wood together. In the fast food world, they use the exact same chemicals to hold a dry, fake bun together. They use xanthan gum. They use cellulose. These are not ingredients from a farm. These are thickeners used in oil drilling and house paint. If the corporate cage didn't use this glue, your burger would fall apart in seconds. Think about this. Why does that sauce never rot? Why does it stay fresh for months in a plastic bucket? Even bacteria won't eat it. It is a dead liquid. When you swallow it, it sticks to your stomach like wet cement. It clogs your body. It hacks your brain to make you want more. Your family is being poisoned for profit. Once you see what is really inside that bottle, you will never look at a burger the same way again. Watch this now, or keep eating liquid paint. The choice is yours. You think your burger sauce comes from a farm. You think of fresh eggs, pure oil, and garden herbs. You are wrong. The corporate cage does not have a farm. They have a cold gray laboratory. They don't have chefs. They have chemists in white coats. These scientists are not trying to feed you. They are trying to hack your tongue. The main ingredient in your sauce is not cream or eggs. It is water mixed with thick powders. One of these powders is called xanthan gum. Do you know what else uses xanthan gum? It is used in oil drilling to make mud thick. It is used in wallpaper glue to make it stick. When you eat it, it coats your mouth in a fake, oily film. This film is designed to trap the flavor of chemical spices. Then there is cellulose. That is a fancy name for wood pulp. Yes, tiny pieces of processed wood are inside your sauce to give it body. They use wood because it is cheap. They use chemicals because they never rot. A real egg would go bad in 2 days, but this industrial sludge stays fresh for months in a plastic bucket. It is a dead liquid. It is a biological lie. They are selling you a laboratory experiment and calling it dinner. Your body was not made to digest house paint and wood pulp, but for the corporate cage, your health is just another expense. Inside the factory of the corporate cage, there are no chefs. There are no fresh eggs or gardens. There are only giant, rusting metal tanks. They don't cook the sauce. They engineer it. First, they fill the tanks with water and cheap industrial oils. This oil is not for health. It is for shelf life. It is processed so much that it has no nutrients left. It is a dead liquid. To make this watery oil look like creamy sauce, they throw in the industrial glue. They add heavy powders like xanthan gum and cellulose. These chemicals act like magnets. They force the oil and water to bond together into a thick, white sludge that never separates. But wait, it gets scarier. This thick sludge has no taste. It tastes like plastic. So the chemists add the secret weapons. They pour in high fructose corn syrup, a super strong liquid sugar. This is not for sweetness. It is for addiction. When this sugar hits your tongue, it sends a lightning bolt to your brain. Your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. This is the happy chemical. Your brain feels a sudden rush of joy. You think you love the burger, but your brain is actually having a drug reaction to the sugar bomb. To hide the sick sweetness of the sugar, they add massive amounts of salt and MSG. These chemicals overstimulate your nerves. They make your mouth water so much that you stop chewing and start swallowing. This is a trick called vanishing caloric density. The sauce melts so fast in your mouth that your stomach doesn't realize it is full. Your brain is screaming more, while your body is struggling to digest the industrial glue. This is why you can't eat just one burger. You are trapped in a biological loop. The corporate cage has spent millions of dollars to find the exact point where you stop tasting food and start feeling an addiction. You are not a customer to them. You are a laboratory rat. They are feeding you wood pulp, house paint thickeners, and liquid sugar to keep you coming back to their counter. Your health is being traded for their stock price. They are hacking your body from the inside out, and they are doing it one special sauce at a time. Think about the last time you ate that burger. Remember that heavy, sick feeling in your stomach? That wasn't fullness. That was your body struggling to process a liquid lie. When you swallow that industrial glue, your stomach doesn't know what to do. It isn't real food. It is a thick, oily sludge that coats your insides like wet paint. While you are sleeping, your liver is working overtime. It is trying to filter out the wood pulp and the chemicals that even bacteria won't touch. Your heart is pumping harder because that massive salt and sugar bomb has made your blood thick and sticky. You feel tired. You feel brain fog. You can't think clearly. That is not a food coma. That is your brain reacting to a toxic overload. The corporate cage has made billions of dollars from your health. They bought big houses and fast cars while you bought a secret sauce that is clogging your heart. Every bite you took was a brick in a wall they built around your health. Imagine your body 10 years from now if you keep eating this glue. Imagine your children's bodies. Do you really want to pay them to poison you? The regret of eating this today will stay in your blood for weeks. You are trading your long life for a 3-second chemical rush. Is it really worth it? You are not trapped yet. You can break the corporate cage today. The first step is simple. Stop trusting the label. If a sauce can sit in a plastic bucket for 6 months and not rot, it is not food. It is a chemical experiment. You must start looking for real food again. Real food has a short life because it is alive. Real food nourishes your body instead of clogging it like wet cement. Next time you want a burger, look for the small local shops. Look for places that use fresh eggs and real oil to make their own sauce. Or better yet, make it at home. It takes 5 minutes to mix real mustard and honey. It takes seconds to realize that your health is worth more than a special sauce scam. Your body is a machine that needs clean fuel, not industrial glue and wood pulp. Start reading the ingredients. If you can't say the word, don't put it in your mouth. When you stop eating their liquid addiction, your brain fog will lift. Your energy will come back. You will finally taste what real food is supposed to be. You have the power to vote with your wallet. Every dollar you spend on real food is a blow to the corporate cage. Choose life over their special sauce lie. This is your final warning. The corporate cage is not stopping. They are making their industrial glue stickier and their sugar bombs stronger every single day. Every time you swallow that white sludge, you are gambling with your life. Is a 3-second chemical rush worth a heart that stops too early? Your children are not laboratory rats. They deserve real food, not wood pulp and house paint. The trap is open, but you must walk out. Stop paying them to poison you. Choose your health. Choose the truth before the damage becomes permanent.